It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For new here, thanks for tuning in. I have Colourpop today. I'm so excited that this came in the mail. I have almost the whole Wild Nothing collection. Yeah, I know everybody has already done a video on YouTube, but I just got mine and I'm still gonna share it with you guys anyways because I'm really excited to like try all this stuff on. As I'm sitting here now, Colourpop has released at least 2 other collections and a whole like another product that's like a stamp on your face. Oh my gosh, like Colourpop is like literally throwing things out there left and right. I cannot keep up. But this Wild Nothing collection just came out like 2 weeks ago, I would say. And when I tell you guys, this is some of the most beautiful packaging I have ever literally seen on any collection. It's so beautiful. I don't even know if the camera will really do it justice. Like seeing this in person, it's just like so pretty. Ugh, everything's so aesthetically pleasing. Here's what the palette looks like, and it's just so pretty and neutral and just like a perfect like everyday kind of palette for my skin tone. I do feel like maybe it's not the best for deeper skin tones. These do look like they probably would turn kind of ashy. They kind of have like a grayish under some of them. I mean, I'm not 100% sure, but just by looking at it, I would say that's kind of the vibe that I get looking at these. But for someone with my skin tone, this is gorgeous. I used it once the other day and it was perfect like any other Colourpop palette. And then obviously I have all the lip oils here to try for you guys. I have 2 of the blushes with the stunning packaging, obviously, so beautiful. I have this pinky colored one, and then I also have this one. It's more of like a nude kind of color. And then I have 2 of the cream shadows, which I'm pretty sure on the website, this claims to be a cream shadow and an eyeshadow base. So I'm gonna test it out today against my, like on one eye, I'm gonna do Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden, which is like a staple for me. And then I'll try one of these cream shadows on the other one. I already did my face makeup, obviously, which is so weird because I always do my eyes first. But I wanted to be prepped and ready to go to try on the rest of this stuff for you guys. So the cream shadows, I got 2 of them. I got Bronco, which is this one, and I got Laurel, which is this one. And they're honestly, for an eyeshadow base, they're a little dark for my skin tone, but we're gonna see what they look like anyways. Ooh, they're really, really creamy. I'm not sure how they would dry down. They feel like really creamy. There's Bronco and this one is Laurel. So one's a little bit more pinky and one's a little bit more of a yellow tone. I do think Laurel, the more pinky one, would look really pretty on its own as kind of like a one and done kind of eyeshadow. Oh, these also have a really cute packaging on them. It's like a little cactus on there. Super cute. Oh my god, I love all the packaging. I hate that these are just gonna get thrown away. Like the boxes are like the cutest part of this. And I hate to throw them away, but like what am I gonna do with boxes? Yeah, there's nothing I can do with them. So anyways, let's go ahead and prime one eye with this one. I'm gonna use Bronco, the more yellow toned one. I'm gonna try it with a brush first. I feel like normally I would just use my finger for this kind of thing, but let's just see what a brush does. Okay, wow. Super pigmented. Oh my god, I feel like I got too much. Wow. Oh wow, that was a lot. Oh my gosh, hold on, let me take some of this off with my sponge because I just feel like that was way too much. I guess you don't need a lot. These are really creamy. Okay, this just feels like way too much. Oh, I feel like maybe go with a lighter hand because if it's too thick, the shadows aren't gonna like blend properly, I feel like. So I just kind of use my sponge here and try to like wipe some of this off on my hand. It definitely feels like it's drying down, which is nice. Definitely less is more in this case. Like go in with a light hand and add more if you need more. Now I feel like it's drying and I need more. Oh my gosh. Okay, there is blended out pretty much. Let me zoom you guys in here. So far it looks decent. Like sometimes these look really dry, but it looks okay. I just wish it wasn't. I wish they had one shade lighter so that I could actually use it as like an eyeshadow base because this it's a little too dark for my complexion. So on the Colourpop website, it does have under application tips, it says to wear as an eyeshadow an eyeshadow base, apply using fingertips or a large shader brush, and apply the eyeshadow directly on top. So they do say that you can use it as an eyeshadow base, but it doesn't necessarily say that it's an eyeshadow primer. Like, it's not like, they're not like advertising it as that. They're advertising it as a cream shadow. It just says that you could apply it as a base. It says you can wear it alone for a minimal look or wear under powdered shadow to intensify color and extend wear. Okay, let me go ahead and prime my other eye with my Urban Decay. Do you guys see the difference here? How much darker this one looks versus like this one? Now, I lie in the very fair complexion, so if you're anything more than fair, it's probably gonna look a lot not as dark on you. But anyways, let's go ahead and start dipping into the eyeshadow palette. Oh, I'm gonna be so basic, and I'm going to use the green shadow. I feel like everybody is using the green shadow, but it is literally so beautiful that I have to. I really kind of want to somehow use this one as well, so this may look a little funky, but I'm gonna try it anyways. I'm trying to use shades that I didn't use the other day. I'm gonna use this one for my transition shade, which is Come Together. Dare I say, this looks better blended than on top of my Urban Decay. That's strange. Okay, let's not speak too soon. Let's finish up the look before we, you know, start making any kind of claims here. I don't know how this is gonna look, but I really I'm gonna add some of this orangey peachy shade called Morning Side. Morning Side. Why did I say morning? It's Morning Side. And I'm just gonna add it like a little bit above that. Ooh. I wasn't really sure how this was gonna go together because this is more of a cool tone shade that I went in with first, and then the one that I'm putting on now is a little bit more warmer. But wow, they look really nice together. I'm loving how this side is looking on top of the cream shadow. Wow. Now I'm gonna go into No Bounds, the deep brown shade here, and I'm just gonna deepen my outer corners here. First, I'm just gonna kind of set the shadow down, and then I'll go in and I'll blend it. I really want to use both shades. These two shades, they don't really go together, but so I think I'm gonna take the green one first and I'm gonna put it here. It comes off kind of like an icy mint shade. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this one here and I'm gonna put the pinky one over here. I love the pinky shade. Really pretty. I mean, the greeny minty kind of shade is really pretty too. I don't think these necessarily look the best together, but we're gonna make it work anyways because it's already there. Blend the edges here a bit. Okay, maybe the green and pink wasn't the best idea, so I'm gonna try to use this one, Sultan. Ooh, this is it feels like a Super Shock shadow. It's like squishy. I'm gonna put it on top of the pink color. Don't know if this is gonna do anything. Maybe I'll just put it on everywhere. Oh, these shadows are they just work so beautifully. Even though those colors didn't necessarily go the best together, I still feel like it's hard to mess this up. This eyeshadow palette is definitely like super beginner friendly. One thing that's nice about it is that it's not like, it's pigmented, but it's not like pigmented when you first put it on. Like, you have to build it up some, which I personally love buildable eyeshadows. I kind of prefer that. I love pigmented shadows as well, but these are a lot more user friendly, and these shades are like totally perfect for like everyday kind of makeup looks. And I will definitely say that I love the way that everything's sitting on top of that cream eyeshadow. I think it really worked really good as a base. I think I'm gonna take this Crystal Cove and I'm gonna put it on my brow bone. This is a matte shadow with some like fine micro glitters in it, but it's a matte shadow. I don't always like to have that kind of thing on my brow bone, but it's kind of the best shade in here for that. And I found like shadows that are like this, that have like the fine glitter but they're matte, the glitters fall away anyways, so it's not like gonna stay on there for very long. That's how it is with most of the ones that I've tried, including other ones that I've tried from Colourpop that are like this, so I'm not worried about it too much. And then I'm gonna take Coastal Line and I'm gonna put this on the inner corners. Wow, we've used almost every shade in here. This here, this is a really pretty inner corner highlighty kind of shade. This would be really nice on the lid as well. Oh, it's so nice. Another awesome shade is this one. This is the one I used when I used it the other day, and it's called Spirited, and it's another of the Super Shock shadows. So like when you press it on the lid, it kind of gives, it's kind of like a topper, and it kind of like gives these like really pretty shimmers all over your lid. It's just a little bit of extra something that I personally love. I know this isn't everybody's vibe, but I love glitter everything, so I'm like, yeah, give it to me. Oh, I guess I should do my lower lash line really quick here. I'm just gonna use Morningside, the corally kind of color, corally peachy. I'm gonna put it down here. I'm just gonna do this like really sloppily, really quick. And then I'm gonna take the deep brown and I'm gonna put this really close to my lower lash line, just on like the outer third of my eye. So now we have blush. This one freaking calls my name. Like, oh my god, it looks so pretty. This one looks really nice too, but I don't always go for these pinky shades. I do feel like it looks a lot more pink in person than it did on the website. I don't know, maybe I'm just not remembering right. But let's just try one on each side. Oh, one thing I want to mention, when I got these in the mail, I don't know if I can show you now because I tried to press it back in, but this part where the blush is, it like came out. It's supposed to be like glued in. Both of them were pretty loose, so that kind of sucks. I mean, I could just put some glue and glue it back down, but it is a little bit annoying, and I thought I would mention it. First, okay, let's go and with this one first. This one is Crossroads. These look like they're pretty pigmented. Let's see. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Pretty. Actually, it's not too bad. Although I just went ham. Oh, ooh, that's really, 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 really pretty. I love this. I love this. I love this. I'm going pretty heavy so you guys can see the actual shade though. That is so, so pretty. I love that. It does have some shimmer in it, and it kind of like gives it like a glowy look. I don't know if you guys can like tell on camera. So if you don't like that kind of thing in your blush, you're probably not gonna like these, because this one also has it. And let's try this one. This one is On the Horizon. There's one other one, I think it's called like Wayfair, and I think it's a peachy kind of shade. And it was sold out when I got on the website, so I didn't grab that one. But that's okay. I don't really need 3 blushes. I don't even need 2 to be honest, but here we are. This is actually really pretty. You know, I'm not typically into pinky blushes, but actually, that's nice. It's like super blendable, but again, it does have like shimmeries, glitters. Like if you don't like that on your face, you're definitely not gonna like these. But I don't mind it, so I like them. So there is the blushes. Okay. I feel like I have so much blush on, but I'm gonna try to like even this out now. I have 2 different ones. Oh my god, I look like a clown. It's fine. I'm just gonna use some powder to sheer it out. Oh my god, that was so much. We're just gonna have really blush cheeks. I hope you guys don't mind. I'm just gonna throw some highlighter on. This is the ABH Amrezy highlighter. I don't think you can get this honestly, but I really want to use it. So I'm gonna throw some mascara on, and then we're gonna be back to do the lips. So these are the Luxe lip oils. This is a new formula to Colourpop. I went ahead and threw the clear one on. I thought I was recording and I wasn't. That's actually why I did it. It's clear. I think this is gonna be great to have in my purse though, because my lips have been getting super dry lately, and this feels so nice on the lips. I really do feel like it's moisturizing, and it's not quite as moisturizing as like an actual like lip balm, but it definitely does some good things to your lips and makes them feel a lot better and gives you a nice little shine. So that one is called Dew Drop. This one is called Skinny Dip. It's a really pretty nude color. Let's see what it looks like. I feel like these are not gonna show up very much at all. Let me zoom you guys back in. They have like a scent to it, and I've been trying to put my finger on it, and it's like a really mild vanilla cake smell slash taste. Very mild though, which is nice. It's not like overpowering. It's just a little bit of something like, ooh, What is that? These are very sheer, clearly. I mean, they're not meant to be a full-on thing, which I personally have been so into. If you guys have watched my channel lately, I love it. I still love the full-on color look, but I'm also very appreciative of just like a little tint as well. So there it is. So that one is Skinny Dip. Next one is Playa Vista. Playa Vista? I'm not really sure exactly. It looks like this. These all are, I feel like, are gonna look similar. Oh no, that one looks different. This one's just like a little bit deeper. Actually, love this. This one's my favorite one so far, I think. Oh, it's really pretty. Like, it's like the perfect amount of color when, like for me, if I was craving. Do people crave makeup? I mean, I do. I actually do. Anyways, like whenever I want a little bit of something on my lips, but I also want something glossy, this is beautiful. Wow. Honestly, I expected it to be even less, like way sheerer. Like I didn't think it would have like any color. So this is a pleasant surprise. I like this a lot. Ooh, super pretty. That one's Playa Vista. Okay, and then we have Hot Shot, which if you guys are looking in order, first we did this one, and then that one, and then this one. So they're basically just one shade up of each other. Okay, I do feel like this one looks pretty similar to the last one. I feel kind of like all three of those, like you don't need more than, like you just need one. I mean, you don't need any, but if you were to choose one of these nude ones, I feel like any of them, I don't think you need more than one. I'm just trying to build it up a little bit. Here we go. So there is Hot Shot. Okay, now the last one is different than the other ones. It's more of a pinky kind of color, and this is called Bangle. Ooh, oh my gosh. You guys, this is like my lips but better. Oh, no way. I did not expect this. Wow. I'm like, I thought this was gonna look so much different. I don't know if you guys saw midway through, my lips are pretty much this color, but not so shiny or pretty, or even, wow, that is surprisingly pretty. I never go towards these kind of colors. I always go towards brownie nudes, but that looks so good. Oh my god, this is taking me so off guard. I did not think I was gonna like it as much as what I do. Wow, okay, so that is Bangle. Okay guys, so that was basically the whole Wild Nothing collection from Colourpop. I'm so glad I purchased this stuff. Colourpop, I like low-key, it almost feels like they do nothing wrong. Everything they do is so good and so inexpensive and affordable, and I'm obsessed. People who are in Colourpop PR lists are so freaking lucky. Like, they are blessed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful if you're looking to try and catch this on the restock. I think some of it is sold out right now, but you know how Colourpop is. They're gonna keep this in stock for a while. So I'm sure you're gonna be able to get your hands on this if you're just a little patient. I am not. So I went on there as soon as it launched. I really did want to do this video for you guys, and that was a reason why it pushed me to buy this, but I also really love how the collection looked, so I'm really happy that I have it, and I'm super excited to keep using it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already, I would really appreciate if you considered subscribing to my channel. I put out new videos every week, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Touch the sky, that itches till we die. We so fly.